Hello everyone, PonyX64 here, with a cryptocurrency tutorial. To get started with crypto, you will need to first buy cryptocurrency. Binance.mo is a great place to start. Look at all these stats, look at those dips. You need to buy the dip. Buy the dip. Actually, you're wasting your time if you are buying BTC, Dogecoin, or Eurytha. You need to buy monero. Monero is king. Let's get it. Download a wallet at http://buymonero.moe. Look at these options, you can find the source code, look at that source code. Let's fork this make file, that is all we need. Yes, this should work. Also, did I mention I am trying to start my own cryptocurrency? It is called Futa Coin. Please help me get the votes, please. I believe in you. We can make Futa Coin happen. Let's get it.